This month's video series is all about what to expect in the real estate market in 2021. Are we going to see a crash? Let's start with having a look at what's happening now. I know it's hard to tell with everything we have going on. I get it. I've seen so many different markets over the last 13 years, and this has been one of the more unprecedented and unfamiliar markets since I've started. Scott Henniger with the Home Team and eXp Realty here. If you look at the Housing Market Recovery Index, here's a graphic from Realtor.com. You see a V market, which was just as predicted back in March when the pandemic started. The market has recovered and is even looking better than when the pandemic started. Back in March, we were at 106.5 and now we are at 112.8. Yes, there was a definite dip in the housing market when the pandemic first started. But now, as you can see here, the market dipped and then took a strong and steady rise. And now we are stronger than back in March. This analysis measures four things. One being the demand of homes, meaning our buyers wanting to buy. Two, it measures the supply and inventory, the number of homes on the market. It also analyzes pricing, are homes going up or down? And lastly, the Housing Recovery Index measures time on market. Inventory and interest rates are, in my opinion, some of the strongest indicators of why we're seeing such an increase in housing activity. There's a lack of supply and high demand because interest rates are at all-time lows. Also, if you look at the number of active forbearances, and just to remind you, a forbearance is a deferment of mortgage payments. The number of active forbearances has been going down almost each month. Also, if we look at when homeowners exited their forbearance plan, you'll see that 54.6% are paid in full, 30.7% are still working out repayment plans, and 14.7% have seemed to be in trouble. They haven't been able to do anything yet. So, that's something to watch. The 14.7% could turn into short sales and foreclosures, so we'll keep an eye on that. The market is still hot and buyers are active. Look out for more information about the housing market and how it may affect you. So if you're thinking about selling or buying and taking advantage of the market this winter, reach out to us on social media or give us a call. This is Scott Henniger with the Home Team at eXp Realty. Exceeding expectations, whether it's your first home or your last.